Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see here, I am actually assembling the Ironman's helmet. So for reference, I have here my speaker. It is actually low bat, so I can use this one for reference. Especially as you can see, this thing is kind of squarey. So I need to know where are the curves is, and then you can compare how it looks like. Alright, so without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, I just actually finished the Ironman helmet assembly. It's sort of kind of the same, as you can see here on the sides. So yeah, so far it's okay. No, compared to the picture here, this picture doesn't actually look good, so mine is better. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed yet another of my assemblies, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Have a great day to you.